Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing network bandwidth analysis, consumption, and anomalies. What is network bandwidth analysis? Network bandwidth analysis involves monitoring and measuring the amount of data transmitted over a network to understand usage patterns, identify performance issues, and detect security anomalies. Purpose: ensure efficient network performance, identify abnormal traffic, and may indicate security threats. Data exfiltration, DDoS attacks. Supports capacity planning and compliance requirements. Throughput, just like the data transfer rate, latency, packet loss, jitter. Bandwidth analysis matters. Security detection, like DDoS, botnets, exfiltration, right? Performance optimization, compliance, real-world examples. Normal bandwidth consumption, that would be sort of like your baseline behavior, right? Your factors affecting consumption. Anomalies and bandwidth usage, we have sudden spikes, unusual drops, out-of-hour activities, and unusual ports and protocols, or basically stuff not being hardened, right? Ports being allowed and stuff like that. Tools for bandwidth analysis, we have Wireshark, SolarWinds NetFlow Traffic Analyzer, Zabbix, Splunk, Nagios, PRTG Network Monitor. So we detect it by establishing a baseline, monitoring real-time traffic, identifying these anomalies, investigating these anomalies, responding to incidents, challenges, and bandwidth analysis. We have false positives, encrypted traffic, and high traffic volumes, evolving threats. And we can fix all of these challenges, right, with robust implementation, right? So for the bandwidth analysis, focus on understanding bandwidth consumption and establishing baselines, identifying anomalies that indicate security threats, DDoS exfiltration, using tools like Wireshark, SolarWinds, or Splunk for analysis, responding to incidents based on bandwidth anomalies. Expect scenario-based questions like, how would you investigate a sudden spike in outbound traffic or on a corporate network? I have no idea if that's even going to be on the test, but you will want to know, this might signal that we have a sudden spike in traffic. What is that signal, right? Best practices: establish baselines, use automated tools, integrate threat intelligence, segment networks, monitor continuously, and educate teams. So that is going to be it for network bandwidth analysis. It is a very powerful tool that you and your team can use to manage these abnormalities and actually detect them. Thank you everybody for watching. Please comment down below any comments or questions that you have about anything, right? And thank you everybody for watching. Bye.